Very good morning, my dear children. Last day we have discussed about division. So anybody can raise your hand. I will give you a chance. Anybody, please tell me what is division. What do you understood? Yes, UN. Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay.
Ah,
Can I tell?
yes, yes, please.
Division is a
Ah,
repeated subtraction.
yes, repeated subtraction. Yes, very good. Repeated subtraction. Okay. Now, anybody else do want to say something? Not the same definition other than that. Yes, Adira, please unmute and.
When we do multiplication,
Uh,
like that only it is division.
is it same process or reverse process? Division is same as multiplication or it's a reverse operation?
Reverse.
Oh, yes, very good.
Can I
So,
say? Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, can I say?
please mute your audio and Siddhar, I'll give you chance. Please don't worry, you will get chance. So, my dear children, we can say division as the reverse operation of multiplication. Okay. Anything else? Other than these 2 points, anything else? Yes. Let Prarthana say. Yes. Mayasa, wait. Ah.
Distributing a given number of objects
Ah.
into equal groups are called division.
Yes. Distributing a given number of objects into equal groups is called division. Correct. Yes, Mayasa, what do you want to say? Very good, dear. Mayasa,
Ma'am, sometimes your voice is a bit low.
my sound. Okay, I'll check it. What about others? Can you all hear me
Ma'am,
properly?
I have to say you.
Oh, yes, Niharika.
Ma'am, distributing
Uh,
the
uh,
numbers in equal
mm, equal groups. Okay.
groups is
Ah.
called division.
Yes, distributing given number of
Ma'am,
objects.
can I? Distributing a
Yes.
given
Ah.
object
Ah.
in equal groups
Ah.
is called division.
Yes. So we have learned last day distributing. A division means distributing a given number of objects or things into equal groups. Okay. And last day I showed you few examples how this equal grouping is doing. Now we can see how division we can call repeated subtraction. Okay, today we can see how we can explain division as repeated subtraction. Now no need to copy down anything. Please fold your hands and listen. I hope you all can see this. A clown over here
Yes, ma'am.
with few balls. Sorry, few balloons. Can you all see? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, 12 balloons are there. In his hand, 12 balloons are there. He want to make groups of 3. These balloons, he want to make groups of 3 and he want to tie on this rod. He want to make 12 balloons are there. He want to make groups of 3 and want to tie on this stand or this thing. Okay, we can see how he is doing. So 12 balloons are there. How? So first, he took 3 balloons and he tie over here. So how many is remaining with him in his hand? How many is remaining? 9. 12 minus 3, 9 is remaining. Again, he took 3 more balloons and tied on that stand. Now how many is remaining? 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Like that. Again, he took 3 balloons and tied on the stand. After that, how much was remaining? 3 was remaining. Again, he took 3 and tied on the stand. Now, how many is remaining?
0.
Everything over. The balloon is over now. So, he made group of 3 balloons like this. Total 12 balloons are there. He made groups of 3. How many groups we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups we got. That means total 12 balloons were there, and that we divided into groups of 3, and we got how many groups? 4 groups. we got. This is the way we are doing division, or we can say division as repeated subtraction. Have you all understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
So once more, there were 12 balloons were there, and the boy, he want to make groups of 3. So first he took 3 and tied like this. So 9 were remaining. After that, again he took 3. Again he took 3 and tied on the stand, and 6 were remaining. 9 minus 3, 6 were remaining. Again he took 3 and tied on the stand. Then 6 minus 3, 3 were remaining. Again he took 3 and tied on the stand. Then 3 minus 3, 0. Now nothing is remaining in his hand. So total 12 balloons were there. We made group of 3 and we got 4 groups.
4 groups.
Okay. So I hope now it is clear how
Yes, ma'am.
division is
Yes, ma'am.
and subtraction. Azad,
Yes.
Azad, have you understood? Okay.
Excuse
Keep
me,
the
ma'am.
scissors down and sit straight.
Ma'am, my essay is calling.
Now,
Ma'am, Mayasa is calling.
yes, Mayasa.
Is if we multiply the quotient and the divisor, we get the dividend.
But I will come to you.
How is that
I'll come to that
happening?
because you have to learn one more thing. Reminder. Okay, that I'm going to introduce that term in the coming class. But if you have to add reminder with that also, then only you will get the dividend. Okay, that I will tell you later. Now we can discuss about another thing. Yes, Asad. Why you raised your hands? Yes, nothing. Okay. So now last day we have discussed division as reverse operation of multiplication. We can see how it comes. Okay. Last we have learned multiplication like this. See here 3. Suppose it is a ball. These are balls. Here 3 balls are there. Here also 3 balls. So how many balls are there total?
6.
If you want to do multiplication, if you want to show us a multiplication fact, how you will write? Otherwise 3 plus 3.
3 plus that.
So
3
2 times 3 equal to 6. That means 2 into 3 equal to
You
6.
Ma'am. Yes.
Okay. The same way we can show the division fact also. Here total how many balls are there?
3.
6 balls.
6.
3 balls.
6 balls.
6
No,
balls.
total 6 balls are there. And
Yes.
we have to make groups of 3. So 6 divided by 3. How many groups we got?
2.
2 groups.
answer is 2.
That means 6 divided by 3 equal to 2.
2.
Okay. Here total 6 balls are there. Usually we will write the total number of objects as dividend. So here total 6 balls are there. We have to make groups of 3. So how many groups are there here? 2 groups.
Groups are there.
Divisor means the number of objects in each group. So here in each group there are 3 balls. So 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. This is the way we can write from multiplication, division as the reverse operation of multiplication, or multiplication as the reverse operation of division. Here like that, if you want to write multiplication fact, how we can write? Here how many groups are there? 1,
3 groups.
3.
Are there?
3 groups are there. In each
Yes.
group, how many balls are there?
2
2 balls are there. So
Two
3 times 2 equal to
6.
6.
6.
So how we can write as multiplication fact? 3 into 2.
6.
Now, if you are writing the division fact for the same, how you will write? Total how many balls are there?
6.
Total how many balls are there? 6.
6 balls.
We have to make groups of
Divided into 3.
have to make groups of 2. So 6 divided by 2. And how many groups we got? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups we got. So 6 divided by 2 equal to 3. Now, have you understood how it becomes
Yes,
reverse
ma'am.
operation?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'll show you the same using number line.
Ma'am.
The number line is not clear, I think. But I'll write on the number, then it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Enough. Now, first we can show a multiplication on this number line. Okay,
Okay.
2 arrows. Okay, so first we can show one multiplication. Suppose 5 into 3. We have to find 5 into 3 using this number line. So, how we will do 5 into 3? So we have to, we have to do the skip counting of 3 5 times. Am I correct?
Yes.
So
Yes, ma'am.
we can do the skip counting by 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. What is the answer we got?
50.
50. So how many skip counting we have done? Skipping we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Skip counting.
So we got
skip counting.
5 into 3 equal to 50.
50.
Here, these are groups of 3. Here we can see the skip counting of 3. Means here 3, here 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, and 12 plus 3, 50. 3 we added. These are the groups of 3. Now, from this, how we will write? From this, how we will write a division fact? Here, total how much? Total how much?
50.
50.
Yes, 50. And here we have made groups of how much? 3 groups of
3.
and how much groups we got?
5.
5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So
5
3 divided by 3 equal to
Five.
5. Okay, one more example.
5.
One more
Yeah.
example I will show you.
Okay.
Now, 2 into 5 equal to 10. So, 2 into 5
Ma'am.
equal to 10 means you have to find the skip counting of 5.
Five.
So, 0 to 5, 5 to 10.
10.
So, here we got how much? 10. So, total number 10.
10. 10.
Groups of how much? In each
5.
group, how many is
2.
present?
Five.
5.
5.
So, we got how many groups?
Two groups.
2
Two
groups.
groups.
Yes. So, like this, we can show the division and on number line also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now,
Okay, ma'am.
we can see
Ma'am.
from one multiplication fact, we have seen how we will write division fact from a multiplication fact. We can write 2 division fact from one multiplication fact that I will show you. Here, for example, 3 into 5 equal to 15. 1, you know how to write. For that, yes. Mayasa, please unmute. Ah. 1, you already know how to write. How you write? What is the total number of objects? Dividend.
15.
15. Yes, very good. 15. Then, what do you have to put? What do you have to write?
Divisor.
Before that, one symbol we have to write, no?
Yes.
It's
It's
division.
divided by
Divided by.
divisor. We have to put
Divisor, which one we have to put?
5.
5. Equals
3.
3. Like that, one more fact also we can write. 15 divided by. Now, we have put 5 as divisor. Next, we can put 3 as divisor. Then how many groups we will get? If you are making groups of 3, how many groups we will get?
5.
5, yes. So 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. That is the next division fact. So like that, we can write 2 division fact from a single multiplication fact. That is, here 3 into 5 equal to 50. Every time 50, the total number of object or the product will be the dividend. Okay. Divisor only we had to change. 15 divided by 5. When 5 is divisor, you can write 3 as the quotient. And when 3 is the divisor, 5 as quotient. So 15 divided by 5 equal to 3 and 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. These are the 2 division facts we can write. So very good, Mayasa. Next. I want. Yes, Adira, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
4 into 2 equal to 8. Will you say one division fact for this multiplication fact?
4 divided by
Every time the total number of objects or the product will be the dividend. So 8 divided by 2 equals
4.
4. Very good. Very good. One more. 8 dividend will be same And the divisor will change. 8 divided by 4. Very good. Equal to
2.
2. Very good. One more example. Now, Prarthana, unmute. Prarthana, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. 5 into 10 equal to 50. So, will you say?
Yes.
2 division facts.
10. 15.
Ah.
50
50.
divided by 10.
50 divided by 10 equal to
5.
5. Yes. Then dividend should be same.
50 divided by 5 equal to 10.
Yes. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, my dear children, please take your notebook. Please take your notebook. I'll give you 3 questions. You have to write the division facts for that. So give the heading. Write 2 division facts. 2 division facts for each of the given multiplication fact. First one, 2 into 9 equal to 18. B, 8 into 3 equal to 24. And C, 7 into 5 equal to 35. One example now itself we can do. After that, Aditya, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
First question. Will you say the 2
Yes.
division facts? Yes.
Yes. 18 divided by 9 equal to 2.
Very good. Then next one.
18 divided by 2 equal to 9.
Very good. So when we make, if 18 objects are there, if we want to make groups of 9, we will get 2 groups. Like that, when 18 objects are there, if you are making groups of 2, you will get 9 groups. So B and C, everybody do it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we want to write this.
Sorry?
We want to write this all now itself.
Yes, yes.
Thanks, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can we divide 10 divided by 3?
10 divided by 3 we can divide, but remainder will be there. Okay. That we will discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. About reminder and all, we will discuss in the next class. When we, Mayasa, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we make groups of 3, if 10 objects are there, when we make groups of 3, how many groups we can make? Just draw 10 balls and make groups of 3.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I finished.
Okay, wait. Let others complete.
Ma'am, can I say the next answer
Ma'am,
of
Who is
the
this?
beat
Can I?
one?
Please tell me your name.
Catherine.
ma'am, see.
Please wait. I'll give you a chance. Please wait. If everybody is asking like this, one by one, I'll give chance. Mayasa? Mayasa can unmute. Mayasa?
Ma'am, I got 3 groups, but
3 groups. But
one is left.
that one is the reminder. Okay. So we can make groups of 3, but one will be remaining. Now have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we discuss this answer? Everybody has completed? Is there anyone to complete? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am going to mute all. So next one. Shringavi, yes, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question B. Will you give 2 division facts?
Yes, ma'am. 24 divided by 8 equal to 3.
Yes, 24 divided by 8 equal to 3. Okay. Yes, next one.
24 divided by 3 equal to 8.
Yes, 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. Very good. Now, next to Adidev. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question C.
35 divided by 5 equal 7. 35 divided by 7 equal 5.
Yes. Joy, have you got the same answer? Yes, very good. So, very good, Adidev. Now, my dear children, have you all understood now? Yes or no? Have you all understood how we will write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Facts
ma'am.
from?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
once more, we can
Yes,
see the
ma'am.
things.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
So,
ma'am.
today we have discussed first one, how division is repeated subtraction. See, you can see here we had 12 balls. We made groups of 3. So when we made first groups, 9 were remaining. When we tried again, 6 were remaining. When we tried the third group, 3 were remaining. When we made the fourth group, nothing were remaining, 0. So 12 divided by 3 equal to 4. So process of repeated subtraction we can call division. Then so how the multiplication and division are reverse process or reverse operations. We can show it by using a number line also. For example, if it is 2 into 5 equal to 10, we have to do 2 jump of, and each group will be of 5 and we will get 10. So 10 divided by 5, we can write 2. Here 10 is the total number of objects. 5 is the number of objects present in each group. That means here the by which number we are doing the skip counting, that number equal to How many groups we got? 2 groups. So
2 groups.
10 divided by 5 equal to 2. These many things we have today discussed, and we can write 2 division fact from a single multiplication fact.
Table. Okay, ma'am.
Have you all understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the next class.
No,
Now I'm
ma'am.
going to wind up the class.
Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye. See you.